ganito. Pag pumunta ka ngayon sa LGU Hospital, covered ka ngayon ng no balance billing policy and that is for indigents. What does no balance billing mean? It doesn't mean no balance. Kasi may balance. Kasi there are case rates but some of them are outdated, and as I also explained earlier, we are migrating to the DRG, which is a different system from the case rate na mas complex ang review niya ng babayaran. But for now, we still have case rates. So there's a big chance na meron kang balance.
Okay.
Pakinggan natin ito mga kaibigan kung gaano kalabo itong DOH. No? Pinaglolo ko tayo eh. No? Parehas na sila ng PhilHealth. Ang inang PhilHealth yan. Laki-laki nang binabawa sa tao pero pagbayaran na, konti lang yung binibigay. Tingnan natin.
So what's the difference between zero balance and no balance?
So
there's no
zero
such thing as
balance
zero
is the DOH hospital that talagang zero balance. Ang no balance sa LGU hospital is only for indigents, pero hindi siya, it's possible na may balance pa.
So hindi no balance yun?
Hindi nga, kanina ko pa sinabing hindi
No,
nga.
sabi mo sa LGUs, it's no balance.
No, that's the name of the program. But it doesn't mean that it is no balance. That's why,
So isn't that false advertising?
I think so.
From now on, I will not ask you questions.
Okay,
This is my next 100 questions.
okay.
Yeah,
Thank you. Well, then we'll have to ask the Senate President to suspend the rules if you're not going to ask me questions.
I'm making a point. Sorry, my dear sister. I'm making a point na ang basis ng conversation is trust eh. So if you tell people no balance, pero sandali, may balance. Di ba? So why would they name it no balance kung may balance? Di ba?
Yeah. Mr. President, please, I will explain to the stenographer what is going on here. My staff is trying to explain to me what is the meaning of no balance, telling me that it is a PhilHealth program. But
Yeah.
once in a while, I agree with my brother. Take note, Senator Joel. Once in a while, I agree with him. No balance means no, none. Wala ka nang babayaran. Eh, meron nga. Madalas meron.
Yeah.
So, huwag niyo nang ipaliwanag sa akin kasi hindi ko yan kayang
Yeah.
ipaliwanag dahil sumasang-ayon ako.
Yeah, I'm sorry for that, but I did ask the permission of Senator Soto, our Senate President, and of course ngayon ang nakaupo si Senator JV, our Majority Leader. So with your permission, can we suspend the rules so that I can ask directly? I'll try to be as brief as possible para matapos ko tong issues, but I really think the Secretary should answer
Mr.
this.
President,
No balance. Tapos, may balance. Ano yun? No balance. Tapos, may balance. Kasi, kung may balance, dapat hindi nila pinangalanan ng no balance. Dapat, ang pangako nila, konti na lang balance. Dapat ganun. Tama naman si Senator Peter Cayetano eh. Dapat hindi pinangalanan ng no balance. Kasi, that is a false marketing. Sasabihin ko, bumili kayo ng saging, 5 piso lang. Tapos, sisingilin ko kayo ng 20. Sino bang matutuwa doon? Di ba? No balance, pero may balance. Isa pa tong DPWH, isa to sa DOH, dapat isa to sa imbestigahan. Ewan ko ba? Tulad ng PhilHealth, naalala ko. I have been paying PhilHealth since I was 17 years old. No, 17 pa lang ako. Nagtatrabaho na ako sa isang fast food chain, no. Minor ako doon pero there was a program sa city government and DOLE, no, kung saan magbibigay sila ng part-time job doon sa mga estudyante. Kalakip noon, kukunan kami ng PhilHealth, no. 17 years old. Tapos nung 33 ako, na hospital yung anak ko, no. 33 minus 17, 16 years. No, 16 years ako nagbabayad. No, kasi tuloy-tuloy na yung trabaho ko eh, di ba? 16 years ako nagbabayad ng PhilHealth. Nag-bill ako ng around almost 88,000, no? 80,000. Alam niyo ba magkano yung binawas ng PhilHealth? 12,000 lang, men. Di ba? For 16 years I have been paying. No, tapos sinasabi na hindi naman dapat ganyan eh kasi 16 years ako nagbabayad tapos merong 3 months na nagbabayad na. Same lang kami ng bracketing. Ano yun? No, dapat bigyan nyo ng consideration kung yung tao or yung nagko-contribute ay gaano katagalan siya nagbabayad. Dapat bigyan niyo ng konsiderasyon yun. Kasi kung sa investment yun, may dividend na yun eh. Tangin ng zero balance yan.